Regardless of the subject matter, pictures can take a greater power on a printed page. What suggests to the reader that a group of individual pictures interacts as a story rather than functions independently as individual images, such as the ones you see on a gallery wall. In a successful layout, the photos interact with one another and form an eye-catching, compelling picture story. When the layout is unsuccessful, the pictures remain separate units, simply coexisting on the page. To link together visually, photographers use pictorial devices. With a visually unified story, the viewer sees in almost every picture the same person, object, mood, theme, perspective, or camera technique. Same person. The easiest way to tie pictures together into a photo story is to concentrate on one person. Restricting the scope to one individual helps to define the focus of the series. The person's identity, repeated in each photo, threads the photos together and gives the layout continuity. Same object or place. Sometimes, same object appears in all the pictures. A group of pictures sometimes attempts to compare and contrast an aspect of life. Andre Curtis compiled an entire book on reading, showing all the way people approaching reading. Each picture added an element to the central theme. Curtis provided the visual link between the pictures showing a book, magazine, or newspaper in almost all images. Consistent technique, perspective, or visual mood. A uniform technical approach can also add a coherent thread to a picture story. Robert Cohen's essay, Show of Hands, gives attention to a uniform but often overlooked and forgotten subject, hands. Cohen not only omitted the subject's faces and bodies, but he photographed his subject's hands against a stark white background which further stylized the images. The consistent technique, hands alone against a white, shadowless background, visually cemented the elements of the essay. To capture a child's view of the world, a photographer might shoot the pictures from 2 feet above the ground. The same perspective in each picture interlocks the images.